friends, this is Akbar K Qureshi from Qureshi Farm. We are on our way to Sikar on this beautiful truck. Beautiful interior. Alright people, we are on the way to Uttar Pradesh from Qureshi Farm in Rajasthan, and the time right now is 11 p.m. and let's see when we get there. Right. The time right now is 9 a.m. and we finally made it to Uttar Pradesh. This is the biggest research institute on goats in the country. It's known by CIRG. We'll keep you posted on that one. Alright, we are in CIRG in Uttar Pradesh, the biggest government-funded goat research program institute. And I'm here with Dr. S.K.Singh.
Yeah.
And he's going to show us around. Let's see.
We are going towards Jamunapari. This is the river bank, and what we have named it is the Mayur Ban. Mayur means peacock, and this is a peacock center. You can find a lot of peacocks, thousands and thousands. So this is the Jamuna Bank, and we have planted a lot many this Makhdum trees.
Alright.
So there are the
These are Makhdum trees.
Makhdum tree. This we bought from Calcutta, so we call it a foreign variety. This is a local tree. So
So Dr. Singh, how important is genetics in goat farming?
Actually, for any farming, be it the animal farming or crop farming or vegetable farming, you have to have a quality seed material. So unless there is a genetic potential in it, with any biological species, it cannot perform. So for performance, what you need is genetic potential, which should be supported by environment. And if you get a favorable environment and valuable genetic material, then the production and productivity used to be very high. In either case, if the genetic material potential is not there, environment is good, or if the potential is good and environment is bad, you don't get the production as well as productivity from this species. So in goats also, if you have got a very good genetic potential, then and it should be supported by environment. Environment means breeding, feeding and other things, then things are right.
Alright sir, thank you so much.
Thank you, Doctor.
This is Yamuna River.